You open your wallet again, same thin stack of cash, same quiet sigh. You already know what it means today. You tell yourself it's fine. Next month will be better. But deep down, you've said that before, many times. Your phone lights up, another expense, another deduction. Money leaves faster than it ever arrives. You sit still, scrolling, watching other people talk about money, like it's something you don't understand yet. You're not lazy. You work. You try. But something always resets you back to zero. A small bill, a random need, a just this once purchase. And suddenly, you're starting over again. It's not one big mistake. It's 1,000 tiny ones. Quiet, invisible, daily. And the worst part, it feels normal. Like this is just how life works. So you wait. For more money, for the right time, for something to finally change. But nothing changes, because the pattern stays the same, every single month. And slowly, you stop expecting more from yourself. Not because you can't, because you're tired of restarting, tired of thinking about money, tired of feeling behind. So you delay again. I'll start saving when things settle, but things never really settle. And this is where most people stay, not stuck, just paused. But here's the truth. Nothing changes when income changes. Everything changes when you do. The first $1,000 isn't about money. It's about proof. Proof that you can stop the cycle. It's small, but it's controlled. And control is something you haven't felt in a while. That number sits there, untouched. Not for spending, not for emergencies, just yours. And suddenly, you move differently. You think differently. You pause before every decision. Because now losing money feels real, and keeping it feels powerful. You're not chasing more anymore. You're protecting what you built. And that changes everything. Not overnight, but quietly, permanently. You stop reacting, you start choosing. And that space, that pause, that's control. Discipline isn't strict, it's calm. It's saying no without pressure. It's knowing you could spend, but deciding not to. Because you remember how it felt to have nothing. The first $1,000 teaches you that, not with advice, but with experience. And once you feel that shift, you can't go back to who you were before. So now the question isn't, can you save? It's, will you protect it? Because the moment you hit $1,000, you're not the same person anymore. Are you ready for that?